Hello, my name is Pablo de Castro and I'm a data scientist at Tree Technology, one of the partners of the April project and also the technical manager. We are a Spanish SME with extensive experience in big data technologies and artificial intelligence, especially in computer vision. From a technical standpoint, our main role in April is to lead Work Package 4, that focuses on perceptual understanding of human-robot collaboration and contextual environment. This work package deals with 3D reconstruction, modeling, and understanding of the scene and all the elements that can be found there, including objects and people, as well as the way they move or interact. This is key not only to underpin the perceptual capabilities required for robot operation and human-robot collaboration, but also to monitor and ensure safety and security conditions in the factory.
Hello, my name is Adrian Menendez, and as Pablo, I'm now working in Tree Technology too, part of the computer vision department. And in the project of April, we are focused in four main areas. The first one is the 3D modeling and reconstruction of the environment. The second one is the 3D modeling and understanding of key elements such as pillow, cables, etc. The third part is the predictive tracking, and the fourth part is the non-verbal communication and post-estimation. For doing this, we relied on stereoscopic cameras with infrared and LiDAR sensors in order to capture all the visual information. We also take advantage of open source libraries to develop our algorithms and models based on artificial intelligence. We aim to make visual information for April robots so it can reason and take decisions in order to support the workers in the manufacturing environment.